We are back, and this week, back to JavaScript, just in time to actually write some code. In this video, we're going from zero to seeing something happen in the browser. No setup, no downloads, just a browser, a file, and a dream. A JavaScript dream. Let's create a new file and call it index.html. Now, this might sound weird. To run JavaScript, we start with an HTML file. Why?
Why?
Because that's where the browser starts too. Here's our basic HTML file. You can copy this, save it, and open it in your browser. Then right-click, Inspect, Console tab, and bam! There it is, your first line of JavaScript. So we log the message to the console. But here's the thing. JavaScript wasn't created just to print stuff behind the scenes. That would have been a pretty silly reason to make a language. Don't get me wrong, JavaScript is probably the prettiest silly language, but it was made to interact with the page itself. Let's see it in action. Update the script like this. Now refresh the page, and boom! Our code changed the page. That paragraph wasn't there before, and JavaScript added it in. This is what JS was born to do, make pages dynamic and impossible to get rid of. It's not just a language, it's a lifestyle and a trap. It can add things, move things, react to clicks, animate stuff. It's the brain of the web. But like the brain after 3 all-nighters and too much coffee. By the way, JavaScript is just text. You write it, the browser reads it, and then it runs. And just like any language, you can leave comments. Pretty important. Or write multiple lines. And you can keep mixing it with your HTML. JavaScript plays well with others. Sometimes. Other times it insists on doing things its own weird way. You just run your first JavaScript and made it change the page. That's a huge deal. Next, we'll take a quick look at HTML and CSS, just enough to understand how all three work together. Then, we're back with variables, functions, and real interactivity. JavaScript wasn't made to sit in the background, it was made to bring the web to life. And you just took your first step. There is no turning back now. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. We're building this from the ground up, and trust me, it's gonna be fun. Maybe it will be fun. Maybe it will be a pain in the head. I'll see you in the next dimension.